I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 amazing things I did differently. I actually started taking this my channel serious 15 days ago. Like I created this account last year August. So I was not taking it serious. But on 16th of June, like that is, and this is 3rd of July, let's just say 15 to 16 days ago, I started taking the channel serious, and now I'm beginning to get massive results. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 things I did differently. But before I do that, let me show you my screen. Let me show you my screen to see what actually happened and what has been going on my channel. And I want you guys to go and check all this I'm going to be showing you on my screen right now. I would like you to go and check your own, so that in case you discover that any of this thing is missing, then you start knowing where to start focusing your energy to. First of all, let me show you for you to know. Now, look at this video, for example. This video was I posted this video 2 days ago, which is July 1st. And within 48 hours, I have received over 1K views. 1K views on this video, giving me a total whopping of 43 watch minutes. Again, 18 subscribers. Now, let me show you how this videos was discovered. Now, look at YouTube is actually recommending this video. 80% recommendation. That's massive. So go and check your own channel. Go and check all those videos in your channel. If you are not seeing something like this, then these 5 things I'm going to be mentioning in this video, you need to work on them. Imagine again on YouTube Home. This video was displayed on YouTube Home. Do you know what it means for your videos to be displayed as, like, when you open YouTube, the first videos you see, my own videos was among you, like 74.8%. And look at the views that came from the YouTube Home, 852 views. Because now again, up next, you know, whenever you watch videos or you finish watching people's video, you will see something like up next, meaning they will suggest another video, meaning a lot of videos were actually recommending this video again. What about YouTube search? People were looking for this particular video. That's why I say 5 things I'm going to be telling you in this video. When you do these 5 things, you will begin to see results. I know some YouTubers have been on this platform for years, no result. Again, channel and channel pages also suggested my videos. Again, others features like thumbnails also suggested my video. But let me show you something. Let's go to the real reach of this video. The real reach of this video was actually 14 point, almost 15,000. My channel is just 1,800, right? But over 15,000 people got the impression, as like they saw this video. They saw, impression means even though they didn't click, but they saw the video. They saw the video. Over almost 15,000 people saw it. So imagine if out of 15,000, a lot of people, now at least a lot of people will begin to see my video. Again, look at this. The click-through rates, as like many people that attempts to click, 6.6%. That's amazing to me. That's amazing. Again, as you already know, out of all those 14,000, the unique view is 1.1K unique view. Now, this plays unique viewers. See, your unique viewers matters a lot. Your unique viewers. Now, unique viewers are people that actually gave the video, like maybe they watch it to like, the video was actually 9-minute video. So maybe this will actually watch like 5 minutes or 6 minutes, or some of them even watch it to the end. These are unique viewers. So these unique viewers you actually need them, because there will be a returning viewer as well. 5 things you need to now do that will help you to begin to get massive result on your own channel. Number 1, work on your thumbnails. Now, this is what we call thumbnails. This is what we call thumbnails. Now, many of you underrate the power of thumbnail. Thumbnail is the first thing your prospective viewers see even before clicking on your video. What do I mean by prospective viewer? Viewers that have never seen your videos before, this is the first time they are having an encounter with your video. So some of you don't know how to design thumbnails. Like, if you want, see, drop it in the comment section and tell me, make a video on how I design my thumbnail. See, designing thumbnail is, in this era, in 2026, is very simple. And your thumbnails will determine the number of click-through rates you will have, your CTR. Now, Remember, your thumbnails, if it is attractive, even if the video is not sweet or the video is not that important or valuable, but when people see the thumbnail well designed, they will click on it, and at least they will watch, like, maybe even if it is 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 1 minute, before they will feel like, oh, okay, this is not what I'm looking for. So your thumbnail is very, very important. Number 2, your video description. Hi. Some of you will even post video, you are not adding description. Give me a reason why you will post video, no description. Your description contains keywords. Keywords that, see, imagine somebody comes to, maybe somebody from Facebook come to YouTube and search, how can I do this? For example, this video, the title of this video is fix inauthentic content fast. As like if you are having maybe you were demonetized and you're having inauthentic issues and you want to fix it very fast, that is, I told them 5 proven solution. So, and in the description, I make sure that I explain everything they might be going through and how they can solve it. So in your descriptions, let there be keywords that is in line with your caption, keywords that is in line with your thumbnails, so that when people search, you can see, if you check my how people find this content, if you check, you discover that people search for it. So work on your descriptions. If you don't know how to write descriptions, just go to ChatGPT, give ChatGPT the title of the video, and tell ChatGPT to give you what? To give you a description of that video. Then read the descriptions. If the description is okay for you, or you need to change some words, and then before you upload that video. Number 3 things I always do differently is that I don't post my video to public immediately. I don't post my video to public immediately. I always unlist my video for a period of 3 hours. That's it. See, on YouTube, either you're a small YouTuber or a big YouTuber, and there's not like even small YouTuber. As a YouTuber, you need to understand that you need the algorithm, you need the system to know who to suggest your videos to. And in order to do so, you need to remember, the video you are posting is not a video of 1 minute, it's a video of 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So you need a proper time for the algorithm to look into the video, check the keywords, check everything before doing what? Before pushing it out. So if you can allow 2 hours, like you unlist your video for 2 hours to 3 hours, this will enable the algorithm to know that this video is meant for somebody like this, and then they will push it for you. But remember, like me, I create videos on YouTube tips, Facebook tips, and editing, which means anytime I post video, YouTube will want to know if this video they have suggested to YouTube category, or people who are looking for Facebook tips, or people who are looking for editing tips. So that was what I did differently as our number 3. And our number 4, many of you are not using tags. Many of you are not using tags. See, I always use 5 tags or maximum 10 tags. Do not jump pack tags, and let those tags. What I always do is that I always make sure that the tags are related to the title of my video. So your number 4, your tagging is your tags is very, very important, because the reason why you have to use tags is because when people are searching, for example, now let's assume the video is how to fix inauthentic issue, and 5 proven solution is the title. I can put tags. I can add tags of Facebook demonetization, which means if anybody search for Facebook demonetization, this video will be suggested. I can put another tag of how to protect your monetization. It means if anybody search for how to protect so tags is very important. You can use 10 keywords for your tags, so that in case anybody is searching for any of those 10 keywords, this video is likely to be suggested to that person, which is our number 4. So always make sure that you do this thing. And lastly, what I normally do differently is that I use urgency caption. Urgency caption. Stop using captions that are boring. Stop using caption. Caption means title. Stop using captions that are boring. Use captions that will make that person want to, this is what I'm looking for. This is the solution I'm looking for. So, for example, now the video you make is how to get content monetization fast in 2026. You are now using title like, are you a creator on Facebook? nobody will care. But when you say monetization, how to get monetization fast, because see, 80% of creators want to get monetized very fast. 80%. They want to get that, because give me the reason why you are online creating content is because you want to get monetized and begin to earn. So you have to make sure you work on these 5 things I've just mentioned. And that was what I did differently. I told you I started taking this account serious June 16 or thereabout. And this July. And look at what God is beginning to look at, what the blessings I'm getting already. This is motivating me. And I'm not even I'm still coming to share the story of why I am posting every day. And my video is always quality. If you go through all my videos, you will see that from these 16 days, all the videos I'm posting are quality videos, but I still deliver every day. Despite that, I still have to post on other platform. So as a YouTuber, not just about being a small YouTuber, but as a YouTuber, these 5 things I've just mentioned now, go and practice them. You will see that within a short period of don't post one video and wait till 16 days. No, be consistent with your posting. You can see I did not even share with you that I was following trend of what is going around my niche, because I will still do videos on those things. See, if you know you have not given me you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, subscribe, because see, I have a lot. I'm a coach. Go and check my YouTube. Go and check my Facebook page. I have over 700,000 followers on my. Guys, I've been doing coaching content for over the years. So you can go ahead, subscribe. Then feel free, if you want me to do any video for you, in the comment section, say, sir, this is what I'm going through. Do video. I will explain. I will break it down for you. All right. So please don't forget to give me a subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Then give me a thumbs up, and this will help this video to reach more viewers. Always celebrate your little testimony and progress or success. You never can know, or you never can tell who you are going to be motivating. Okay. Thank you.